There's what we come for. Look at that, Myron. Yeah, that's that same lure you gave me down there in Texas. Can you see that? Look at that. Our crappie don't grow as big here, I don't think, as they do in Texas, but hey, that's good eating, I'm telling you. It's break time. Lucy had to get out and do a little stretch. Beautiful day, partly cloudy. Fish are biting. Only caught a couple crappies so far, but the bluegills are up on the beds. Yeah. Well, all right, I'll check back. Yeah, if I had a stick of butter, I'd have added it to it. It definitely settles the fire down, and you don't quite get the bubbles that you get, and it also adds flavor. Well, I'm roughing it. Will you just look at the goodness? Oh, look at that. Let's dig into that, shall we? A solid and some bluegill. Oh, my favorite. I'd like to tell you that that was Lucy Lou approved, but you know what? She doesn't like fish. I sure do. She likes to catch them. She sure doesn't like to eat them. But I'm going to take care of that. But those are Bill Goudy approved, I'm telling you. Can you hear that generator running? Yeah, it's running out there, but it's not so bad in here. I'm telling you, it's 8:45. This off the grid stuff, it takes time. It just takes time. And you know what? Catching the fish, and cleaning the fish, and then making a salad and having a cold beverage makes for a long day. I have the generator running. I have learned to use a solar energy during the day and then recharge my batteries, catch up at night. Yes, I could run off the batteries, and yes, I could use that 2,000 watt inverter and run everything, but why? I run the generator at night, and then during the day I use the solar energy. It's been working. It's working really good. Let's dig into this fish. This video isn't about my solar energy. No. Hey, let's have a little tail first, huh? Oh man. Done to perfection. That 3-2-1 coating. I want to thank Juanillo for that. It's just so good. I don't use Old Bay, but I like the garlic. I put garlic powder in place of it, so I like that. I do. Look at this. I got a salad with blue cheese dressing, but I'm using the Italian blend of cheese, shredded cheese in there. It's parmesan and I don't know what other, mozzarella. I don't know what other kind of. I think there's 5 cheeses. Oh, that is so good. The only carbs I'm getting, well, the major carbs I'm getting right here. A nice cold vessel. A cold vessel of amber fluid. Man, is that good. Now I get limited signals here, so I don't get any signals inside the camper. Yeah, I gotta do all my internet business and anything I do outside to get, and I got a very intermittent signal. It's kind of like Texas, I think, and some of the other places I was in over in Ohio was like that. Just the same. Yeah. Listen, I'm gonna go. It's been a long day. I want to eat. I want to crash out. I'm going to try to catch some more fish tomorrow. What do you think, Lucy? Think we should catch some more fish tomorrow? She thinks so. I'm tired. Bill Goudy checking in. I don't know. I think I got up about 3 o'clock in the morning. Generator started sounding funny. Yeah, the exhaust pipe broke. And it was coming right out of the head. It was too dark. I just had a small light. So I didn't bring you along on that, but so my generator's down. Now I'm back onto the solar energy. I shut it off at 3 o'clock this morning. That's all right. I mean, I really wasn't using anything. I like to recharge my batteries and everything, so they had a pretty good charge by that time, but that means I don't have a generator, so I'm gonna go out and try to catch some fish and head on back home and see if I can repair the damage. Yeah. All right, Big Goudy out for now.